In this video, I'll be answering or giving you a guide on why picture-in-picture is probably not working on your Samsung Galaxy M17e. Now, the first thing you need to do is simply ensure that your device has given that specific app the necessary permission to enter picture-in-picture. To do that, you're going to open up Settings, then you're going to select Apps. Tap on the three dots in the top right corner and choose Special Access, and then look for picture-in-picture and select it. From here, you just need to find that specific app in your apps list and tap on the toggle to ensure that it's turned on. Now, another thing that you need to do is simply ensure that picture in picture has been enabled in your app as well. So go ahead and open up the app, whether it's Netflix, YouTube, your music app, it doesn't really matter, and then navigate to your settings. In your settings, you're going to go ahead and select the option playback, like so, and then you should find picture in picture and just ensure that that is turned on. Once you do that, you should now be able to go ahead and play a video. Then when you go ahead and open up the home screen, you should find the video is still playing in picture mode. Thanks for watching. If you have any more questions or guides that you need help with, feel free to leave them down below, and I'll see you guys in the next video.